Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you some methods to fix crash handle on Modern Warfare 3, Warzone 3. Method 1. Update Windows systems and graphics drivers. Go to Settings. After that, check for Update Windows. If an update is available, please update it. Next, we will update the graphics driver. Here, I'm using NVIDIA graphics card, so I will visit NVIDIA homepage. For AMD users, please visit the AMD homepage and do the same. Just search in Google search. Now, find driver for your product series, then download it. Since you play games, I recommend you choose the game-ready driver version. Now, we will proceed with the installation. Note: at this step, I recommend that you check the box "Perform a clean installation." This will restore all NVIDIA settings to the default value and removes any profiles you have created. Click Next and wait for the installation to complete. Relaunching Modern Warfare or Warzone and see if problem is fixed. Method 2. Verify integrity of game files. For Steam user, go to Steam Library, right-click on Call of Duty. Then select Properties. Go to Installed Files. Click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. For Battle.net user, go to Games section. After that, select Call of Duty. Click on the gear icon, Settings, and then select Scan and Repair. Once done, try relaunching Modern Warfare or Warzone and see if the problem is resolved. Method 3. Check for Update BIOS. First, we need to know information about the motherboard name and its current version. So, just press Windows key on the keyboard, then type system information and press Enter. Now, find BIOS version, date and baseboard product. Here, my motherboard name is Prime Z690A from ASUS. BIOS version is 2602. So, now, we will open any web browser, then use Google search. Next, enter with the following syntax: brand name, motherboard name, BIOS, and press enter. Now, please select the motherboard manufacturer's website. Because I use ASUS motherboards, I will go to the ASUS homepage. If you use Gigabyte, go to the Gigabyte homepage. Do the same if you use motherboards from other companies. Now, find BIOS and firmware, then check if its latest version matches the version you are using. If not, download and update it. Here, the BIOS version I am using is 2602 and the current version on the manufacturer's website is 2802. So, I need update the BIOS version. After successfully updating BIOS, please check for Windows updates again. Method 4. Disable XMP, overclock CPU and GPU. Overclocking CPU, RAM or GPU can make your system more powerful, but with it comes instability and system overheating. According to my subjective assessment, this is the main cause of this problem. And it is a typical error in Call of Duty games. So, if you are using software to increase CPU or GPU clock, please turn them off before starting the game. And see if this helps? If not, please go into BIOS and check if you have XMP or overclocking mode enabled. Just restart the computer, then press the Del or F2 key on the keyboard. Once you are in BIOS mode, you can see, currently I have XMP mode enabled for RAM. So, I will disable it. Next, check to see if you have overclocking mode enabled. If it enabled, please disable it. Here, I don't have overclocking enabled, so I will save my changes and restart my computer. Relaunching the game and see if the problem is resolved. Finally, please clean your computer, remove the CPU, GPU, RAM and cooling fans, clean off any dirt, apply thermal paste and reattach them. That's it guys. Hope this is helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to get in touch or leave a comment. Thanks.